Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with the Google Meet camera has failed or it's not working properly. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu. And then select mo lang dito yung privacy and security. So click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa privacy and security. So scroll down. And under dito sa app permissions, iselect mo lang dito yung camera. So click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa camera access ay kailangan lang natin itong i-turn on. So, dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung button niya. So, i-turn on lang natin yan. And same naman dito sa Lit Apps, access your camera, dapat naka-turn on. And then dito lang sa camera, so naka-turn on din yan. Alright, so after dito, and then other solution na pwede natin gawin. So, close lang natin tong settings. So, dito lang ulit sa search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung registry editor. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And select mo lang dito yung Run as Administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito lang sa Registry Editor, and then ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK Local Machine folder. So double click ka lang. And dito sa HK Local Machine folder, and select mo lang dito yung Software folder. So double click ulit. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito or select mo lang dito yung Microsoft folder. So double click ulit. And dito lang sa Microsoft folder, and then kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Windows Media Foundation. So kailangan mo mag-scroll down, and then select lang natin dito yung Windows Media Foundation. So double click ulit. And dito lang sa Windows Media Foundation folder, and select mo lang dito yung Platform folder. So, kailangan mo lang mag-click one time, and dito lang sa right panel ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click dito sa blank space, and then select mo lang dito yung new, and then dito sa K, kailangan mo lang select dito yung the word 32-bit value. So, click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa new value ay kailangan lang natin yan i-rename. So, ito yung ilalagay natin na rename na Enable Frame Server Mode, and then copy lang natin yan. And next step, so i-paste natin dito or kailangan natin yan i-rename. So right click and select mo lang dito yung rename. And kailangan mo lang i-paste yan. Alright? So once na i-paste na natin yan na enable frame server mode, and then press mo lang yung enter, at kailangan mo lang mag-double click and pop up itong edit the word 32-bit value. And then check mo lang or double check mo lang yung value name na enable frame server mode. And dito lang sa value data dapat 0. And dito sa base ay kailangan nakaselect dito yung hexadecimal. And then i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And next step, so kailangan lang natin ditong mag-back. So back, and then close lang natin tong registry editor. At dito lang sa start menu, at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Google Meet camera failed and not working properly in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.